We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video today. Whew, it's kind of hot out here today, man. We in Copart. I got three Pacific cars that I want to check out. Is this carbon fiber? Put carbon fiber on a Corolla? Nah, that's just some type of wrap they got going on with the Cobra. What they doing with the Corolla, man? I think this might be the fast Corolla hatch or something. I don't know what these boys got going on. This Corolla got a little stance to it, don't it, y'all? 4,000 miles? It's a new Corolla. Wait a minute. It says Soul. It's a Toyota Corolla mixed with a Kia Soul. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars at the auction or private party sales, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Don't end up getting a lemon, man, at the auctions, because it's easy to do if you don't know what you're doing. So, or getting a lemon off somebody off Craigslist, same thing. It's easy to do, guys. So make sure you get to that academy. I'll show y'all all my tips and tricks. And let's look at one of the first ones we have on our list today, which will be, they got a Cadillac, they got an Escalade over there. Gotta check that out. Okay, two of them right here in my face. Definitely not messing with these. Look, they got two of them right by each other, the red one and the white one. But right here is what we came to look at, one of these. Now this is an old Prius. It's an old Prius. It's nice too. This is that WRX. 134,000 miles on this. Stick shift though. I can't do nothing with this. I might be able to tell my boy Phantom, my boy Bruce, about this. They don't got no power to it. Nah, so I guess I won't tell him about it because, damn. What's wrong with this thing? Maybe I do need to tell my boy about that. Y'all see that car right there? That's crazy. But I came to look at this and that Lexus. You got a scat right here. It's wrecked. I think they got the badge right there. Let's see. Damn. I think that is the motor though. Yeah, that's the motor. Anyway, hybrid system. Are the Toyota Priuses bad? We don't got no power. We moving on. I can't tell. Definitely moving on. It's clean though, y'all can see. That's why I wanted to see, and then this damage was not that bad. Could have been something cheap. Now this is also what I came here to see. SA392 right here. Got the Scat Pack seats. Y'all always running into somebody, Mopar fanboys. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Always count on y'all to run into somebody. All right. Looks worse in person. And here's that Sonata. Two of them right by each other. I ain't buying another one of these. What's wrong with this one though? Well, I think I've seen this one, but it was dirty and everything. We ain't buying another one of these. If y'all been watching my channel, y'all already know what happened with me with this. But so the back of the Lexus. Let's go ahead and crank it up because it's pretty hot out here and the AC should in fact work. Oh, ain't no power. Oh, water damage too. I smell water in here. Oh, got pet hair all in there. Oh. That's why I always tell you guys that it is so important to come in person. What is that going on over there? Even this though, because like in the pictures, Like, you don't see all of this outside. I don't be seeing all of this. All right, that's not gonna do it. What's going on with this Lexus right here? Got good tires on it. Let's see what the damage is on this. Always in the front, I can see it from right here. Look at the interior of this thing though. 2011. I ain't gonna mess with that that red one. I mean that blue Lexus, cause I'm straight on it. That looks pretty bad as well. And then this is the third one that I wanted to look at here. Which is a big boy truck. Y'all see this truck ain't really been, nothing really happened to this. It's just some front end damage. Oh well, the light broke. I wish it didn't have these big old dumb tires on here. Cause y'all know these tires cost a lot of money. I wish it wasn't lifted like this. Could have just been a regular truck. But these are, what the hell? Got some tape. Oh, this one got coilovers on it, I think. But these, this 4x4, these Nissan Titans are, sometimes they could be good, sometimes they be trash. It's a little dirty in here. Let's see. I think I remember seeing this truck out for a while. I think your shoulder's itching. Hold on, y'all. Trying to get that key in that B. Trying to get that key in that B. Hold on. Man, this truck don't got no dog. Put my phone. Well, that was a trip. Let me see if anything's down here real quick. Oh, last but not least, I want to show you guys the Escalade. Not sure if I've seen this one before though. It's got 177,000 miles on it. Not sure. Do this got power? Damn. Oh yeah, it do. No remote detector. Somebody got the key to this mug, man. What the hell? 177,000 miles. I'm not sure why they don't got the key in here for it. Damn, where's the key? Cause something with this many miles might go a little, you know, cheaper. I could try to ask them. See that key. Might need to get a key made for this joint. I asked them probably what's going on with this. There's not no key in there. Jaguar E-Pace. Yeah, man, I ain't really been seeing nothing today, man. I almost didn't even come out today. Cause I ain't see nothing on online at all, and no Copart and no location. I'm gonna see if they can find this key for this though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go on and wrap it up right here, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. Don't forget to go to wehustledaily.com. I'm out.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.